Yo, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? I'm gonna go check out a road that I've been wanting to ride down for a while, just to see where it goes and what it looks like. It's about 80 degrees out today. It's really nice. Temperature is amazing. It's like zero humidity, at least that you can feel. But you know it's getting warmer again when you got mosquitoes out. I've been trying so hard to wheelie this thing in third gear, and it just feels impossible. I think once I stiffen up the suspension, that'll help a lot because it just absorbs way too much shock. Damn, these people are from Texas. Wow. Alright. Jeez, look at that place. This is the road I've always talked about. It might not be shit. I don't know. Just that bridge alone always looked kind of cool, but I've never come up this road. It just kind of made it look like it was going to be a nice back road. It might not be anything. I don't know what the speed limit is here. I don't even know where I am, to be honest with you. Well, I know where I am, but not where this leads. Just take it a little ways. Dude, why is there a meter right there? I've never seen a meter off somebody's house before. Well, instead of making a left, we're gonna make a right. Maybe we'll go down and show you guys where our casino is. We have a casino up here. And we also have a Great Wolf Lodge right up here. Let's go to it. There used to be an old mall. It was called the Perryville Outlets that I remember going to when I was a kid. I don't really have much memories of it being anything like crazy. It was always kind of like empty. Like Nike was there and like Adidas or some other things like that. But I can always remember it being fairly empty. Like there wasn't a lot of foot traffic. But it wasn't a mall. It was like an outlet shopping center. Back then, outlets weren't really like a big thing. Like malls were the thing. So I don't know what they did down there. Let's actually, I want to go down this road once. It was right here. It's probably blocked off. You probably can't even get down there. You always get that one person that just goes dookie slow. Yeah, see, it used to be here. Look at it. It's all torn down. Completely demolished. That's crazy. There's nothing there. It looks way smaller than when it was there. I remember going there as a kid for like shoe shopping and stuff like that at Nike and Adidas and stuff. And they just demolished it a couple of years ago, but it's been basically vacant for, man, probably I'd say upwards of 10 years now. Could be a little bit longer than that. And it just sat empty. And I've always wanted to go there to check it out, but they gated it off. And I went down in there once on my bike. I went down the steps, which was really sketchy because you had to cross a wooden bridge, and it was really, really sketchy. I did that on the 250L. So this Great Wolf Lodge right here is pretty awesome. We actually stayed for the night. So there is the Hollywood Casino. I'm not a big gambler. I've only been in there once. Some of these you don't even realize go outside. Like, we did those. I don't remember that going outside of the building. Got old Jumbo Jimmy's down here. I think I might have showed you guys this spot before. It's for sale. Dang, they demolished it now. Last time I was here, it was still standing, but it was all burned up. This is an old town though down here. The Paw Paw Museum. And that church looks crazy old. Everything's blooming nicely. Look at this tree. Used to be a swing into the water here because the water's literally right here. I used to come up as a teenager and we would swing it into the water. It was awesome. I'll tell you what, them rocks would hurt the hell out of your feet because the base is all the way around are rocky like what you see over there. Y'all think that TV's down here still? Remember my short with the TV? It might still be. It's gone. That tree is still there though. I'm surprised they haven't cut that out. It's crazy that it's there. I don't know what kind of fish are in there. You know, if you're thinking about getting a bike and you don't have a bike yet, even if you've never ridden before and you're just thinking about getting a bike and learning how to ride, do it. Do it for yourself. It's breathing in that fresh air. Riding on these back roads, no cars behind me, no cars in front of me. There's a bunch of farms. Just the fresh air alone, all you smell is people burning wood and burning leaves. Look at that beautiful tree right there. Absolutely stunning. Look at that. Rumbleway Farm. Don't hesitate though. Life is short. There's my Jeepers Creepers bus. Get a bike. Learn to ride. Whether you ride by yourself, I recommend with one other. But just be cautious. If you ride like you're invisible, you won't have any issues. So here's another one. They got a trash can there like somebody lives there. There's another one. Jeez. I know where this is going to spit me out at. These trees are so cool looking right now. The white with the purplish pink just looks really cool. That boat has been there forever. I'm amazed the town just lets them sit there like that. There be me fire tower. I've always wanted to go up in that thing, man. You probably can't even go in there. Although, probably, because like, I would imagine if it was unsafe for somebody to go up it, that they wouldn't leave the structure up like that. Good old Amish. We have some really good Amish produce places around us. Produce, and you can buy like fruit trees and stuff like that, which is what we're looking into getting next, some fruit trees. I've been getting a lot done around the property. I'll have to show you guys. I'll have to make a couple videos. I've actually already been thinking about it, making a couple videos based off of some things that I've been doing that have nothing to do with riding, and they might bore some of you, and maybe not, but I've got some cool stuff that I've been doing. Like I just recently finished working on a pump setup for watering for gardening and stuff like that, because my wife has got a massive garden that we're working on, and I wouldn't say massive, but it's fairly large, good size, and we're still working on it. There's still a lot of stuff we got to do with it, but with the chickens and the water for the chickens and washing out the ducks, buckets and everything daily, and washing out, you know, all that stuff, and then watering all the garden and stuff like that. I just finished that up this weekend, yesterday actually, and it's amazing. Little pump that I bought, it's like that big, and it's got 70 psi, 5.5 gallons per minute. I mean, we have really good water pressure in our house, but I tell you what, that pump is as good, if not better. Well, and look at this. We are back at the road we started off on. Should we go check out the waterfront community and just see? Should we? Yeah, let's do it real quick. Let's see what we got. I think my battery level is still pretty darn good. These new GoPro white batteries, I don't remember what they're called, enduro batteries or something like that. They are, honestly, I think that's actually what they are, is the enduro batteries. They're pretty good. I don't think this would be gated, but it might be. Hell with it, we shall see. I guess, like, what are these? Are these townhomes? Are these, like, condos? I was thinking we were going to get more of a view of the water, but sorry. It's not what I was expecting. But it's all good. Well, I think that's where we are going to call it for this video. That was a nice ride out. You can smell all the flowers blooming. Pollen's not crazy right now, but it will be. Good fresh air, about 80 degrees. Absolutely beautiful day out. Couldn't be of a nicer day for the weather, the sun, everything. It's not windy. We're gonna catch everybody on the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed this ride along. Peace!